In this video, I will be showing you how to reset Android to factory settings without password. Forgetting the password or pattern to unlock your screen lock is one of the most frustrating things some Android users have gone through, including myself. The ways for how to reset an Android phone when locked covered here will be useful if you find yourself in a situation like this. They also function if you wish to reset your Android device to factory settings since you're feeling overrun by your app selection. This tool is what we call Tether Share. To start, you just have to go to any web browser, type Tether Share, and then download this. Now, once you download this Tether Share, all you have to do is to simply install this one, and then you just have to get your phone and connect your phone to your device. So to start resetting your phone, connect to TenorShare. Of course, the first job is to remove the password of your Android device. Okay, so you have options like to get rid of forgotten password, lock screen, select remove screen lock mode. And all you have to do is to click next. But this one is not for free. You have to purchase this tool in order for you to use it. But don't worry, when you purchase TenorShare, everything is worth it. Okay, so it will totally reset Android settings without password because it will remove any password here or anything that can make your screen lock. Okay, so here you just have to select your device information and TenorShare will do the rest. So you just have to purchase this one and then connect your phone and then it will remove the password immediately and it will reset your Android to factory settings without password. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.